When you are placed in a course, it's very important that you check and update your profile. To do that, go to the top right corner where it says your name and click on your name, and then go to My Profile. When you enter into your profile, you should see your first and your last name grayed out. You are not able to edit that. However, you can edit your gender, your phone number, and your email address. It's very important that you put the most up-to-date phone number and email address in here so that your teacher can reach you. Otherwise, it might be difficult to get a hold of your teacher or for your teacher to get a hold of you. Under the Preferences tab, you'll notice some preferences that you can choose to activate. When your teacher grades your assignments, your teacher will give you some feedback. Sometimes your instructor will even email you. If that happens and you click some of these buttons, you'll be able to have access to that feedback or to those emails quicker. You can get an alert through email or through your cell phone or a text message if you just click these two buttons. Be sure to click Save so that you're able to get those alerts when they get sent to you. You can also click Security Questions, and under Security Questions, you can see any question here that you'd like to add with its answer, and that's in case you need your password. So it will have some security set up here so that you can access the course and access your information if you forget your password.